Alright, so good day everyone. So may update po tayo galing SEC. May free webinar schedule po sila from February 19, 2026. So that's next week. So aabangan po natin yan. That's Thursday. And the schedule 2 is on February 20. So pili lang po kayo sa dalawa. No? Kung available kayo for 19, then be it. And if not, pwede namang bumawi pagka kinabukasan, 20. So itong free webinar na ito is tungkol po ito sa Harbor na nilaunch nila nung January 30, no? So, basically, ito po yung bagong feature na kung paano po mag-declare ng beneficial ownership, no? So, if you wish to register it, so be it ngayon na kaagad kasi ang attendance nito is first come first serve basis and probably baka may limit lang po ang per link for the webinar. So, grab na natin ito and let's get to know more about this new launch na web uh, or system ni SEC, no? This Harbor. So, yun, I'll just put the links description box para mas madali na po sa inyo. Okay, so come on, let's be more productive, no? Lahat ng mga information na pwede nating malaman with the SEC. So, pasok po tayo sa webinar. Okay, see you guys there.